Find the value of the discriminant and describe the number and type of roots / solutions. Right? So, in a given quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Find the discriminant. This is the discriminant b square minus 4ac. And after finding the discriminant, depending on its value, you'll have to comment on the nature of the roots. Whether you are getting two rational roots or two solutions which are rational numbers, or irrational, or one rational root, or two complex roots. So depending on the value of b square minus 4ac. So we have to look at this ax square plus bx plus c. Compare that ax square plus bx plus c with the given equation 2x square minus 6x plus 17. Thereby identify your a, b and c. After that, find the value of this b square minus 4ac. Okay, so let us do one thing at a time. Alright. Let me identify a, b, c. Let me take this equation, standard form, side by side and identify. A is equal to this a and this. Ax square is equal to 2x square. So a is equal to 2 and b is equal to how much? Negative 6, right? And c is equal to 17. So you have your a, b and c. On comparison, you got those things. Then find your discriminant. D is equal to b square minus 4ac. Substitute the value of b, which is negative 6. I am replacing this b with negative 6 and a square. Minus 4 times a is 2 times c is 17. What do you get from that? 6 square. In fact, negative 6 square gives you negative 6 times negative 6, a positive 36, minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 17 is how much? 7 times 8 or 8 times 7, 56, carries 5. 8 times 5 is what? I mean 8 times 1 is 8 plus 5, that is 13. 136. 17 times 8 is 136. 136. So you have 36 minus 136. In fact, you can do the whole thing, put in calculator, like negative 6 square, negative 6 square minus 4 times a is 2, right, times 17 to give you negative 100. That's all. So you have this negative 100. D is equal to this. And compare this value, the discriminant, with the given chart. You are seeing a negative number, right? Greater means positive, right? This is also positive. This is equal to 0. This is the thing we are looking at. The discriminant is a negative number, less than 0. Hence, the roots or the solutions for this given quadratic equation are two complex roots, or you can say two complex solutions. Because negative 100 is less than 0, you are going to get two complex roots. Roots are also called as solutions. That is your answer. Okay, so simple. What is the thing that you are doing? Take that quadratic equation, compare with the standard form, find the value of a, b and c, substitute in b square minus 4ac. After substitution, simplify and find its value, compare it, check whether the discriminant b square is greater than 0 or less than 0 or equal to 0. Basing on that, go back to the chart and conclude. Give your conclusion basing on this chart, right? Very easy. Okay, so I have three problems for you to work on. You have this one, 4x square minus 12x plus 9. Find the discriminant and comment on the nature of the roots. Okay, so please try all these three problems. Okay, thank you.